What is up, YouTube? It's Tyler Outdoors. Today's video, we headed out to Morro Bay, drove up, got the kayaks loaded up, and headed out for some rockfish. We were targeting big rockfish and hopefully some lingcod. Well, we'll see how it goes. I hope you enjoy the video.
Maybe 20.
All right, so as we're heading out to a little deeper water, I marked a school of little blue rockfish. So I busted out the old ice rod just to mess around a little. They're only about 20 feet under the kayak. So you see me drop it down real quick. And I should be getting hit here any second. Oh, palm bit. The hook set was not ideal, but I got him on there. And I accidentally turned the GoPro. And here we go, fighting this monster. Oh, you can see my rod starting to snap. This is not good. But look at this absolute unit of a rockfish. Really doesn't get better than that. All right. So I dropped down a little double dropper loop here. I was marking some good stuff on the bottom. And right as I hit the bottom, I had some squid on there. Set the hook, bring up a nice little rockfish. Not a monster, but he'll eat. Little gopher rock. Beauty. This was such a nice day out. Alright, so I bust out the 7-inch swim bait, fishing just about 25 feet of water, really shallow. Coming from SoCal, you're never fishing. I don't fish less than 150, so this was definitely something different for me. So looking around and give it a big old cast out, just kind of bouncing this thing off the rocks. Nice 7-inch red swim bait. Just slow winding it, keeping it on the bottom. Got tapped. And yeah, good one. Oh shit. What the hell? Woohoo! That is a monster rockfish. I guess big baits do catch big fish. Holy crap. Look at the size of that thing. That is a rockfish right there. If I could get something off the bottom. I was hoping it was a lingcod, but I think that's just a fat grass rockfish. All I know is that thing is huge. Well, it hit and it missed and I was like, oh, and then it ate it again. Yeah, I thought that one was gonna do good because I feel like my editing was solid on that one.
It is, but you didn't post in a long time, so the algorithm might fuck you over.
I know.
Yeah, now you're at 160, so it's going up.
Yeah. That's good. Holy. Yeah, the short I think maxed out already.
No, it's going up.
Slow, but yeah.
Slowly, but it's going up.
There we go. There goes my gaff. I need a gaff. I need a gaff or something. It's a nice lingcod. You're good. I'm just gonna risk it. Oh! Woo! Uh-oh. Ow! He bit me! Lingcod, baby! All right, so after that monster lingcod, we started just picking up some numbers. Doing my boyfriend duties right here, you know, unhooking the fish.
Trying to catch like a really big one.
And then I had to untie a knot in one of her reels.
But
And I had a hookup bait tied on, so I dropped it down and kabam. That's a good one. That's a really good one. Yeah. Go for it. Holy crap. Oh, let's go. That is a monster. Look at that. Oh, let's go. That is a giant. Look at that. Oh, let's go. Here, stop, really. Help with what? Huh? Help what? Grab it? Holy, nice one, babe. Here, watch out for my rod. You got it, you're good. Here, I'll take that real quick. Good one. That's a really good one, babe. All right, kill it or no?
Oh,
ow.
sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
You're good. Kill it or no? What do you want?
Put it back.
You don't want it? Too small?
Too small.
All right. Bye.
Swam this time.
We're in 30 feet of water. There's no bear. After
problem.
getting close to our limit, we headed in with what we felt like was enough rockfish. It was beautiful when we landed. An amazing day out on the water in Morro Bay. Got all the fish out and we loaded them up on the truck.
Yeah,
Cleaned them
for
up.
deeper water.
Wow.
And then
man.
went and made some tacos back at camp after.
Nice ling. Yeah, that was a solid one.
And there is our pile of fish. We got a nice lingcod there, big grass rockfish, big red, and then a bunch of other miscellaneous rockfish mixed in. Not quite a limit, but we didn't need to take that much. We had a great time either way.
Yeah. Not much swell. And it was
All right, after cleaning up the rockfish, we headed over to Morro Rock. There we are, there's Morro Rock. Just a nice boulder. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.